In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your Greenworks 60-volt, 22-inch cordless battery brushless wheeled string trimmer. The model featured here may differ slightly from yours, but the assembly steps are the same. This video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions including safety warnings, maintenance, and storage tips, refer to the manual. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut open the box. The unit comes partially assembled. Carefully lift the trimmer and the upper handle assembly out of the box. Inside, you'll find the trimmer deck, the upper handle assembly, replacement trimmer line, and the operator's manual. If you purchased a complete kit, your model includes a battery and dual charger. Remove any remaining packaging. The manual can be found in the battery compartment. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm nothing is missing or damaged. Keep the box and packing material until you've used the product and can confirm it works properly. Step 2. Securing the lower handle. Remove the pre-installed bolts and knobs from the handle brackets. Note that there are two height positions. Select the desired height and lift the lower handle to the operating position. Align the lower handle with the handle brackets on the deck. Make sure that the handles are in the same height positions on both sides. Insert the bolt through the mounting holes and secure with the knob. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 3. Installing the upper handle. Remove the pre-installed cam locks and knobs. Align the holes in the upper and lower handles. Insert the cam lock bolts through the holes and tighten the knobs onto each side. Secure the cable to the handle using the clips. Step 4. Charging the battery. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge the battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Charge the battery by aligning its grooves on the charger and sliding it into place. The green light will flash while charging and turn solid green when complete. Only charge indoors at room temperature. Need more help? Visit greenworkstools.com.